Hello, welcome to Global Energy's Install of the Week. This is a full retrofit of a heat pump, solar panels and radiators. Let's take a look. This property is a detached house in a rural location and it was heated with an oil boiler. The heat pump itself has been located down the side of the house in a nice, discreet location. The heat pump is currently running and this is the sound level to expect. All Global Energy heat pumps come with 3 years remote monitoring included. That means that we can access your heat pump to diagnose any faults and optimize running and give peace of mind to you, the consumer, knowing that somebody is there to support you through the transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy. The radiators in this property have been designed to have a 40-degree flow temperature at -3 to maintain a room temperature of 21 degrees. The lower the flow temperature, the more efficient the heat pump. So we always start with a low 40-degree design temperature on radiators and 30-degree design temperature on underfloor heating. The hot water tank is located in the loft. This particular tank has 200 litres of capacity with a 100-litre volumizer on the bottom. Luckily for this customer, the eyesore of an oil tank is about to go and be replaced with a compact heat pump situated in a much better location. If you have any questions on heat pumps, please don't hesitate to get in touch. All of our details are below in the description.